Hey, JB here. Rachel sent in a question today about cadence versus consistency, and I want to talk to you a little bit about it because I think it's really important in the structure of our system here at MorningCoach. So basically, the two C's that we have here is a cadence versus consistency. What do they mean? They're very similar. So consistency, let's start with that. Consistency is a habit or something that you're looking to become autonomous, something you want to make it part of your life, or a team member. Let's say you hired somebody, you have a specific task you want them to do, and you want them to start being consistent with it, so you don't have to manage them and micromanage, or micromanage yourself. So how do we do that? Well, first we put the process in place. We call that an SOP, or standard operating procedure. This is what I'm going to do. For example, let's say I want to quit drinking. Okay, I don't want to drink alcohol anymore, so the idea is, okay, just quit drinking. Maybe find some substitutes. That's the key. Maybe it's sending a certain type of email out. You're going to go to this file, you're going to get this email, you're going to copy it, you're going to put these things on it, and you're going to send it out. That's an SOP. Okay, so it's something we're looking to create a habit or create autonomy with. Then what are we going to do? We're going to track it. Now, there is no research on how long it takes to form a habit. Some people have said 21 days. We've seen a lot of research. It could be up to 200 days. Some people could be 8 days. That's why we track it. We're going to consistently track it until it becomes autonomous. When do we know it becomes autonomous? There are no errors, things are working, and it's moving forward. Like my marathon training, I don't track it anymore. I don't need to. It's autonomous. I've built it up to autonomous. How do we know that this system works? Well, if it breaks one time, let's say you want to quit drinking and you're tracking it and one time you quit drinking. Okay, well, that's one time. One time it can happen. We don't like the first exception, but it may happen. Okay, what happens if it happens 2 times? We need to check. Okay, now we need to look, what's going on? Why is this something you're really committed to? Is this something the employee knows what's happening with expectations? If it happens 3 times, it's time to change the process. Okay, so that's a consistency system that we're looking to create autonomy with ourselves and our own personal system and get it done now, or with our team. Again, remember what I come from. I come from aerospace for years. I ran companies and we did a lot of AS specs and quality standards. This is really coming from an ISO spec as kind of the background of that, bringing it into personal development and into organizations. So to help you really get autonomous with things. Okay, cadence. What the heck is cadence then? If this is consistency, what is cadence? Cadence is the things that are going to help you get to your mission and vision that you're going to work on Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so you got your week outline. Let's put Saturday and Sunday in here. Okay, for example, let's say you want to write a book. Well, if you don't establish a cadence with writing that book, like Stephen King has always taught us to write every day, but let's say you don't want to write every day. Let's say you want to write on Tuesdays. Well, if you don't do it every Tuesday, it won't get done. It'll become a loop. It'll just become a loop in the back of your mind. And remember, with loops are not about the big loops. They're about the little ones that we carry. So what cadence is all those commitments that you have that you're going to place somewhere in there. Think about working out. They say 3 times a week. Well, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, your cadence is going to be working out. For me, YouTube, okay, Tuesdays, I'm going to put YouTube in. Monday is going to be coaching and consulting. Fridays is always off. That's part of my cadence. Saturday and Sundays is when I research and dive into the CoachCast for MorningCoach. It's a cadence. I know when Saturday comes, that's what I'm doing. I know Tuesday, I'm shooting YouTube videos. You know that you're moving things forward. You're keeping the ball moving forward. A lot of people don't have this structure, and that's where they drift. Remember, drifting is when you get off task. Now, all of a sudden, you're doing a bunch of stuff instead of moving things forward. To truly become successful and really get things moving, get it done, we've got to establish a cadence. This is what we're marching to. This is what we're doing. Every week, we're progressing it forward. You can do this in your work, and you can do it, obviously, with your team. It's really important to get your cadence. For example, back in aerospace, on Fridays, we're our sales meeting. I'd have all my sales guys get together. What aircraft we selling? What are we doing? We would review that on Friday. So that's a cadence, operating cadence. So the difference, again, consistency is what? Things that you're looking to create habits, things that you're looking to make autonomous, things that you're going to show up and do consistently. These are not sacred 6 items, by the way. These are not tasks. These are separate items that are really going to help you achieve your vision, who you're going to become. Okay? So that's what consistency is. Cadence is the things that you're going to march to. That's the things you're going to do. Okay, so cadence versus consistency. We got it, Rachel. Great question. Keep them coming. Appreciate you and appreciate everybody here at Morning Coach. Love you guys. So until the next video, let's work on your cadence and your consistency, and you understand where it is. This you can put in your planner. This you can put in your companion software. You can track that there. This is in the companion software. You know where that is, and that's where you can start structuring your week out. Okay, awesome. We'll see you in the next video.